gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. Oh boy. Welcome to another vloggy vlog on this, let's call it a Sunday. Yeah, it's a Sunday. And I am creeping my way to Cars and Coffee. It's this car meetup. Oh, we got green light. It's a car meetup at the same location as Two Wheel Tuesday over there by the skyline. Watch out, sir. So yeah, I'm just taking a quick spin there to take a look-see and see what's what. Look at some cars. It's a gorgeous day. Yesterday was actually 77 degrees and today is 64. So we have a cold front coming in. A little taste of real autumn. Because it's been kind of warm, but not for long. Not for long, good sirs. And after this little event, I have a feeling I'm gonna go to Union Garage. And Union Garage is this motorcycle gear store of sorts. Watch out, sir. Oh boy, it's gonna tell me to go on Manhattan, ain't it? That's all right. Could do that. Normally Manhattan is, oh right, I forgot. There's a speed camera there. Normally Manhattan is a little bit packed up, but today seems fine. Sundays are good for cruising. Really happy I got out here. I've been watching obsessively Boardwalk Empire. I blew through 4 seasons in the last recent times. 4 seasons back to back. And ooh, look at those wheels on that Benz. Oh, that's gorgeous, bro. That's gorgeous. So yeah, I'm so invested in Boardwalk Empire. It's funny, but I kind of like this whole thing where I don't watch the shows as they're happening, so the way I don't have to wait for new episodes, you know. I literally just watch as much as I want, you know. I binge the whole thing. There's something about it. And Peaky Blinders is next. Peaky Blinders. I remember watching the first episode a while back and it just didn't grab me, but I'll give it another shot. I feel like Boardwalk Empire has warmed me up to the genre of the whole little gangsta long time ago thing. I can't tell. Oh boy. Plus it's like the set design is incredible. Oh nice, it's a police block. I've been here before in this precinct. That was fun. All I got to say about that. There it is. And there's a school next to it. Watch out, don't want to go too fast now. It's funny, I'm wearing a thermal and there's people walking around in shorts and t-shirts. What am I missing? Right here. This ride was a lot quicker than I thought. It took exactly 2 minutes. Alright, we're gonna take a left right here. Right after these people cross and this car goes by. Go ahead. You turn in. We made it. Cars and Coffee. Who would have thought? It's gonna be over here to the left. Last time they wouldn't let me park my bike like by all the action, so let's see if they allow it this time. Oh, right here, right? Oh hi, what's up, brother? What's going on? I'm good, man. I can't complain.
First time I've been to this spot.
Oh, really? Yeah, this spot is dope. I'm a big fan.
I know, until they put buildings on it. it.
Yeah, that's part of it though.
Yeah, shoot.
People gotta make money, you know?
Yeah, hook the crook.
You live around here?
Nah, I'm in Sunset.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
They call up Pops with all the cars and cars.
Hell yeah, how you doing?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Mike also.
Nice, nice. Yeah, it's gonna...
You mean? He's got like 50,000 miles on this thing.
60?
60?
Oh yeah. I mean, it's like, don't look over here. Fucking oil everywhere.
You said you're getting the new one, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the new... But I'm gonna put a new motor into this one.
Yeah.
Because I'm holding on to, I mean, I'm not gonna sell it for like $1,000. It's like an insult, you know? Yeah, so...
Shoot, man.
Yeah, this thing's been through hell.
Yeah, nah, it's...
But...
a vlog and everything.
Yeah, I took this to California twice.
Whoa.
This baby, so...
Yeah.
It's alright. Alright, I'll see you guys in there.
Yeah, good running into this.
For sure. Parking over there? Oh, how's it going? Thank you. And there we are. I didn't even realize it's gonna be like a impromptu Ducati outing here, but it's happening. It's a beautiful thing. Look at this. Cars and coffee. All right, we're gonna go for a little walk, see what's what out here, and then continue. Last time there was actually some food. I guess there's some food over there now, but not too much. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.